Makar Sankranti is considered to be one of the main festivals of Hindus. On this day, in the month of Posh, the sun turns Uttarayan and enters the Capricorn. On this day, works like bathing and charity are considered of special importance. This festival is celebrated with different names in different cities. It is believed that the fruits of donations made on this day are many times more than the rest of the days. During the time of Makar Sankranti, Sun meets his son Shani. The rise of Venus also occur in Makar Sankranti. There is a change in season from Makar Sankranti. Autumn begins to fade and spring arrives. Some people are also confused about the date of Makar Sankranti this year. This year, Makar Sankranti will be observed on January 14, 2022. It is one of the most auspicious festival of Hindus. Makar Sankranti Punya Kal is from 2:43 p.m. to 6:04 p.m. Makar Sankranti Mahapunya Kal is from 2:43 p.m. to 4:35 p.m. According to mythological beliefs, on this day of Makar Sankranti, Lord Sun visits his son Shani's house. The festival is also associated with the unique union of father and son. According to another legend, Makar Sankranti is also celebrated as the victory of Lord Vishnu over the Asurs. It is said that on the day of Makar Sankranti, Lord Vishnu killed the demons of the earth and cut off their heads and buried them on mountain Mandara. Since then, the victory of Lord Vishnu has been celebrated as Makar Sankranti festival. This auspicious festival is also called Uttarayan in some place. On this day, Ganga bath, fasting, stories, charities and worship of the Lord Sun have special significance. Donations made on this day are much more fruitful. Donating lights in the form of diyas to Lord Sunny is also very auspicious. In UP, Bihar, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, this is the time for harvesting new crops. Farmers also celebrate this day as Gratitude Day. Sweets, meats, and semen's and jaggery are distributed on this day. Apart from this, there is also a tradition of flying kites in some place on Makar Sankranti.